Palm Beach Gardens Medical Center is the only hospital in the state with a newly approved tool to treat COVID-19 patients. This is called the Hemalung machine. And WPTV News Channel 5's Erica Rayco joins us live now with how it's being used to help a local doctor in the ICU.
And that doctor is Vladimir LaRoche. He's now been on a ventilator for 20 days. And that machine, it had been working at 100%, doing all of his breathing for him until doctors got quick FDA approval to hook up that new machine. And his brother says he saw immediate improvement.
Those are people that I believe to be heroes.
Those people are doctors at Palm Beach Gardens Medical Center who Paul LaRoche says are thinking outside the box, doing what they can to save his brother's life. The goal? Get him off the ventilator he's been on now for weeks. And it looks like doctors are taking the first step in that direction with the help of the Hemalung machine.
Once they started using it, I did see a significant difference. Like I told somebody yesterday, it's a game changer.
The Hemalung functions basically like a dialysis machine, but for the lungs. It removes carbon dioxide from the blood and replaces it with oxygen. It was originally developed to treat people with COPD and has now gotten emergency authorization from the FDA to treat lung failure caused by COVID-19.
As soon as he went on the machine, things started turning around. His CO2 levels remained between 34 and 40, where they were in the 60s and 70s before. Normal is about 35, 40. And so it made a huge difference.
Vladimir LaRoche is a doctor at Found Care in Palm Beach County. His brother believes he contracted COVID-19 while treating patients. He's now been in the hospital since April 1st and was able to take the first breaths on his own after doctors started using the Hemalung alongside the ventilator.
Novel viruses like this, sometimes we're in the dark and we don't know where to turn to, and we need people like him where they're willing to take a theory and put it into practice in order to be able to help people.
They may be small, but they're mighty, and they're willing to work, and they're willing to kind of get on the cutting edge and be pioneers in some instances. So I'm very grateful to Palm Beach Gardens Medical Center.
And Dr. Diaz crediting Dr. Ribal Darwish for thinking outside the box, using this cutting-edge technology, as well as the Tenet Healthcare Administration for allowing doctors to take it upon themselves to think of something like this. Palm Beach Gardens Medical Center does have 2 Hemalung machines. Glenn?